In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Telegram desktop error when the app cannot open. If Telegram suddenly stops launching, gets stuck loading, closes immediately, or shows an error message. These troubleshooting steps can usually get it working again without losing your chats. We'll start with the quickest solution, then move on to administrator access, repairing or reinstalling Telegram, and finally using Telegram Web as a temporary alternative. If this guide helps, tap the like button and subscribe for more simple software troubleshooting tutorials. Let's get started. First, completely close Telegram and end any background processes that may still be running. Sometimes the Telegram window disappears, but the application continues running in the background. When that happens, trying to open it again may not work because Windows still thinks Telegram is active. To end the processes, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape together to open Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in the compact view, click More Details. Stay on the Processes tab and look through the list for Telegram. You may see one or more Telegram processes running. Select each Telegram process, then click End Task. If you see Telegram listed under Background Processes, end those processes as well. Be careful to close only Telegram-related tasks and not unrelated Windows processes. After ending all Telegram processes, wait a few seconds and then try opening the app again. You can open it from the Start menu, desktop shortcut, or taskbar icon. In many cases, the problem is caused by a frozen background process, and restarting Telegram after ending those tasks immediately fixes the issue. If Telegram still will not open, try running it as an administrator. This can help when Telegram does not have the permissions it needs to access its files or folders. Find the Telegram shortcut on your desktop or search for Telegram from the Windows Start menu. Right-click the Telegram icon and select Run as Administrator. If Windows displays a user account control message, click Yes. Now wait a moment for Telegram to launch. If the app opens successfully with administrator permissions, the issue may be related to Windows permissions or access to the Telegram installation folder. You can also test the shortcut properties if you need to run Telegram with administrator access more regularly. Right-click the Telegram shortcut, choose Properties, open the Compatibility tab, and look for the option to run the program as an administrator. Enable it only if necessary, then click Apply and OK. After that, launch Telegram again. If this does not solve the problem, move on to repairing or reinstalling the application. The next option is to repair or reset Telegram through Windows Settings. Open the Windows Start menu and select Settings. Then go to Apps and choose Installed Apps or Apps and Features depending on your version of Windows. Search for Telegram in the list. Click the three-dot menu next to Telegram and select Advanced Options if that option is available. Inside the Advanced Options, look for Repair. Click Repair and allow Windows to check and fix the application without removing your personal data. When the repair is finished, try opening Telegram again. If repair does not work, you can try Reset. Keep in mind that resetting an app may remove local application settings, so use this option only after trying the less destructive steps first. Your Telegram account and cloud-synced chats are normally available again after signing in, but you may need to log in again or adjust some settings. If Telegram is still not opening, the installation may be damaged or outdated. In that case, uninstall Telegram from Windows Settings, then download and install the latest version from the official Telegram website or the Microsoft Store. Before reinstalling, make sure you know the phone number connected to your Telegram account because you may need it to sign in again. Avoid downloading Telegram from unfamiliar websites since unofficial installers can contain unwanted software. After installing the latest version, launch Telegram and complete the sign-in process. Check whether the app now opens normally. Updating or reinstalling can fix corrupted files, missing components, failed updates, and compatibility problems that prevent the desktop application from starting. If you need access immediately and the desktop app still will not open, use Telegram Web. Open your browser and visit the official Telegram Web website. Sign in using your phone number or the available QR code option, then follow the verification instructions on your phone. Telegram Web lets you read messages, send replies, and access many of your conversations while you continue troubleshooting the desktop application. To recap, first end every Telegram process in Task Manager and reopen the app. Next, try running Telegram as administrator. If that fails, repair or reset the app through Windows Settings and reinstall the latest official version if necessary. Finally, use Telegram Web as a temporary way to access your account. Hopefully, one of these solutions fixes the Telegram desktop error and gets the app working again. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss future Windows and app troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching.